In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply the hollow effect in Canva. To get started, open your Canva design and locate the text or element you want to edit. This could be a title, a short phrase, or a graphic element that you want to give a more outlined, airy look. Before making any changes, take a second to look at how that element currently fits into your design. This will help you better judge how the effect changes the overall appearance once it's applied. Once you've selected the text or element, move your attention to the top toolbar and click on Effects. This is where Canva groups together different visual styles that can quickly transform the way your design looks. If you're working with text, you'll usually see a range of text effect options here. If you're editing another compatible element, the available options may vary slightly, but the process remains very simple and intuitive. From the list of available effects, choose Hollow. As soon as you click it, Canva will apply the effect to your selected item. The hollow effect creates a clean outlined appearance by reducing the solid fill and emphasizing the edges. This can be especially useful when you want a modern, minimal, or stylish look without making the design feel too heavy. It can also help certain headings or decorative text stand out in a more subtle way compared to bold, filled text. After applying the effect, adjust the thickness to control how thick the outline appears. This is an important part of customizing the final result, because even a small change in thickness can affect readability and style. A thinner setting often feels elegant and lightweight, while a thicker outline can make the effect more noticeable and dramatic. If your text is small, be careful not to make the outline too thin, or it may become hard to read. On the other hand, if your design is large and bold, a thicker setting may work better. Finally, preview your design and make sure the effect complements your overall style. This last check is important because a good effect should enhance the design, not distract from it. Look at the spacing, contrast, and how the outlined text or element interacts with the background. If needed, make small adjustments until everything feels balanced and polished. And that's it. That's how to use the hollow effect in Canva to give your design a clean and creative finish.